Hello team, Tim Thomas here. Welcome to the video. I am super excited. If you're in Live Good, great things are happening. If you're a network marketer or affiliate marketer, great things are happening. Could not be more excited to talk to you about what we've got going today. We have something special for you. Can you mail a postcard? If you mail a postcard, guys, you can win over and over again. We're going to talk about it in this video here on the other side. Hey guys, go ahead and turn your speakers up. Hit that like button, smash that the like button. Hit the notification bell so when I upload a video, you will be the first to know. Make sure you subscribe to this YouTube channel. Hit that subscribe button. Could give you 50, 75 more years of good luck. Could not be more excited, guys, about what we've got going on. Great things are happening, and work at home has never been this good. We are literally going through and we're building teams, and it's just absolutely incredible. I'm gonna dive in this live good video. We're talking about how we're promoting this program and how it can benefit you and what you can potentially do to it. But before we get started, guys, what I'd love for you to do is check out this YouTube channel of mine. Check out the YouTube channel, guys. We've got several opportunities. I'll move me up here somewhere. Yeah, we've got several opportunities, guys. Big ticket, low ticket, in between ticket. And that's what it is. Multiple streams of income, guys, is the key to success. I market big ticket opportunities up front in your face right now. Make money today programs. And on the front end, on the back end, guys, I build the residual programs like Live Good, the supplement grid. And it's just all the right things. And all these big ticket programs are rocking, guys. They're giving me my money to throw back into my marketing from my other network marketing and affiliate programs. Well, guys, a lot of you have asked for a postcard for Live Good. We've got this postcard. Could not be more excited. This is the postcard that we got for our team, guys. And if others want to use it, guys, we'll make a way for you to get it also. We know that there's one over there on Print Founders. Print Founders has got a nice Live Good postcard. But in this video, we're going to talk about this one, and I could not be more excited about it. Greg has just released it. I know Jose is excited about it, and great things are happening. But for the sake of this video, we're going to talk about this one. Greg just come out with it, guys, and it's very, very powerful postcard. I know Jose is excited about it. We're fired up. We're going to ask those of y'all that are on our team, if you would like to use this postcard. I will put the link below, and you can order this postcard. And it looks just like this. And this postcard, it will go directly to you. All you do is mail postcards. If you can mail a postcard, you can win. There's no cold calling, no chasing family and friends, no answering questions, no personal selling, no telling, no explaining. We've got the advertising figured out, and you never have to talk to even a single person unless you want to. And then your website information will go right here. This is exciting, guys. We have the postcard ready for Live Good. Live Good. If those of y'all that are postcard enthusiasts, you can get this postcard and start winning. You can even put your return address here on that postcard. Are you sick and tired of working hard on a job to make somebody else rich? Plus, in today's corporate world, there's no such thing as job security. You can leave your job at any time. You must start building your own stream of monthly income for you and your family now. And we will show you how. We will show you how, and the name label will go here where you can put the pill and stick label, and you can mail them out to your prospects. Very exciting, guys, for the Live Good opportunity. Well, if you haven't joined Live Good, guys, when you get an opportunity, you can come over to my channel. I have done several review videos about Live Good. Very excited about it, and it's rocking and rolling. A lot of people are coming in this thing. And we get paid 6 ways. One reason I joined, guys, is for the residual income. Guys, income disclaimer, it doesn't happen overnight, but in time, you can build this thing out. Again, it does not happen overnight, but it can be built out over time. And that's what I'm in for, the long haul. And we're going from there. Now, again, we're talking about this postcard. In order to market the Live Good opportunity, guys, we have our websites here. We have the corporate website, the retail site, and the landing page. Now, before you, as you're running traffic, guys, our goal is that you get a marketing system that has email follow-up. Now, Mary Beth Angelelli has recorded a phenomenal video on a marketing system that we're all using at my capture page. It's mycapturepage.com. I'll put the link to Mary Beth's video in the bottom of this description of this video so you can see what Mary Beth's talking about. She did an incredible review on my capture page. Guys, that thing's incredible. And you can get signed up to my capture page. I'll put a link for you to get started below the video if you want my capture page. It's a way to promote Live Good. And then it will go to the power line. Shows you how to all works together. Could not be more excited about what we have in our hands. Guys, we have an opportunity, and it's very exciting. Live Good. Why should you join Live Good? Well, you get to earn 6 ways, income 6 ways. Weekly fast start commissions, number 1. For everybody you bring in, you're going to get like a $25 fast start commission. That's very exciting. And as you rank up from bronze, silver, gold, platinum to diamond, you're unlocking every level of pay. Very exciting, guys. Again, this will not happen overnight. May not happen in the first 6 months, but over a year or 2 time, guys, dreams can come true. It's possible. So we're going to leave it just like that. Matrix commissions, guys. You're going to get paid for everybody in your matrix. Is this thing built out over 100,000 people? It's possible. If it does, over time, you get paid for everybody that's in your matrix. And that's very exciting. Very exciting about that. And look at this. Out to 16 grand per month possible at Diamond. Very, very exciting. Matching bonuses. You get matched on the people that are in your matrix, people that you bring in. You're personally bought in people. You also 50% match on everyone that you enroll. Folks, that's exciting. Retail commissions are exciting. The retail, when we sell products at retail, influencer bonuses. If you sell things to people through your website, that is very exciting. And the diamond pool bonus, 2% split on what everybody in the company earns. Folks, that is exciting. Great things are ahead. And not only is that exciting, guys, check out the products. What about our products? Our products, guys, are some of the best at affordable prices. Our products are amazing, and we're very excited about them. We're getting excited about this organic coffee, the magnesium, the factor 4, the super greens, the super reds, the bioactive multivitamin for women with iron, multivitamin for men. And folks, these are some phenomenal products. Teleprotein, guys, for a little over $18. The organic greens, the super reds, again, the organic coffee, CBD oil for yourself, CBD oil for your pets, which is your best friend. People spend just as much money, if not more, on their pets than they do for themselves. Guys, this is exciting. Pre-workout, instant youth. I'm not going to go over all the products in this video, but I'm telling you what, we have a great opportunity, guys, to get in this program and to ride the wave. Can you mail a postcard? If you're not a heavy recruiter, guys, everybody can mail a postcard. Can you even, start mailing 50 a week and then scale up to 100 a week? As you get your commissions in, you can reinvest back into your business and start exponentially growing your income. Great things are happening. I could not be more excited to bring you this video. We have our postcard ready to go. We want you to come partner side us to grow your income exponentially. Links will be below the video, guys. Get signed up today, and we'll get you off to the races. Live good. Live good. A great opportunity, and we're inviting you to come alongside of us. We get paid every Thursday, the Fast Start bonuses, and once a month for the Matrix money. All right. I think I covered a lot of it. If you have any questions, guys, my contact information is in the bottom. And make sure you upgrade before every Thursday, which is cutoff time. If you don't upgrade, those that pre-enrolled before you will leapfrog ahead of you. And we want you to get as high in the matrix as you can. Because, guys, as the thing, again, builds out to hundreds of thousands of people, there's nowhere else for them to go in the matrix except for the ones that's already in. All right, guys, if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. I really would appreciate that. It helps the channel out. And subscribe to the channel. And we'll see you at the top and on the next video. I got some good ones coming, guys. Some new releases coming in. Could not be more excited. This year is going to be incredible. Have a wonderful day. Bye for now. Until the next one.